Boy, what a morning it is out there, Chuck. What's going on?
Well, let's get right to it because we have a lot to talk about. We've had rain, really, that has been in Indianapolis since a little before 2 o'clock this morning, and the winds have been howling. Our camera here shaking at the west split, but let's go to live Doppler 13 radar. Only live TV radar in Indianapolis. We're staying ahead of things for you here, and you'll notice as I zoom in here in the metro area near the Motor Speedway, 465, 865, heavy downpours of rain with lightning between Castleton and Fortville. Look at that heavy rain all the way from Noblesville to the Fishers exit on I-69. Here's the line I've been watching. This orange area that you see, this box that extends from Lafayette to Rossville to Mulberry to Flora, up towards Logansport. You'll notice the heavy rain associated with this. Not a lot of lightning, downpours of rain, strong gusty winds all the way up to near Logansport. That is a severe thunderstorm warning until right around 4:30 this morning. So we have about 13 more minutes in this warning. And as I mentioned, the biggest threats with this have been throughout the course of the day, gusty winds and very heavy downpours of rain. Now take a look at the latest wind reports. At one point, Lafayette had a 54-mile-per-hour wind. Our high gust right now in the past few minutes at the airport has been 51 miles per hour. This is a really strong storm, folks. And, of course, with 50-mile-per-hour winds, you can have damaging winds. So keep that in mind. But in back of this, winds dying down a lot, but still, I still think they're going to gust quite a bit. Now, currently, a sustained wind, not a gust, but a sustained wind of 33 miles per hour at Indianapolis International. It is 61 outside, and we have cold air trying to punch in back of this front. Thus, this very stormy rush hour, and I think these conditions are going to be with us for several hours. Probably by the middle of the morning, things start to thin out a bit. In fact, this afternoon's going to be fine with temperatures in the 50s. Now, let me show you what things are going to look like the next few minutes. Remember, that big line is still to the west of Indianapolis. This is 5:30. This is 6 o'clock this morning. So in about an hour and 45 minutes, we're still going to have this rumbling and tumbling. 7 o'clock, we're going to be on during the Today Show with you, during our cut-ins, to make sure you see live Doppler 13. Now, I think by 8:30 this morning, this all thins out, and then we're going to see some better weather move in here. But again, severe thunderstorm warnings for basically an area from Lafayette to near Frankfort up to Monticello. So the northwest part of our viewing area now for the next little while. Temperatures fall through the 50s today, 35. 55 Wednesday, 57 Thursday. Friday's an interesting day. We'll begin with rain with temperatures dropping. We'll see some snow. It is possible, and I know there's as Sean said last night, there's a lot of buzz out there about the weekend. I think the computer models are going to change more as we get closer, but I would say plan on some snow and wintry mix at least on Saturday morning, and then by Sunday, 34. We're going to take another look at live Doppler 13 radar. Please be careful out there. Ben and Julia, winds 51-mile-per-hour gusts right now at our airport.
Wow, that is crazy. Okay, thanks, Chuck.